FirstStepReading.com. FirstStepReading.com.
Hi, this is Heather from FirstStepReading.com. Let's learn together. Let's learn about the calendar. What is a calendar? This is a calendar. It has a month and a date. Let's sing about the months of the year together. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Those are the 12 months in the year. The first month is January, then February, then March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, and then it starts all over again. Those are the 12 months of the year. There are also days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. Let's sing a song about the days of the week. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Those are the 7 days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And then it starts over. Saturday and Sunday are called the weekend. Those are the days that people don't have school or work. In our year, our 12 months, there's also 4 seasons. Let's sing a song about the seasons. Spring, summer, fall, winter, sing them now with me. Spring, summer, fall, winter, which could it be? So the year is divided into different seasons, and different things happen in different seasons. So in the spring, it rains a lot in lots of places, and flowers bloom, and lots of baby animals are born. Then it warms up to our hottest season, which is summer, right? People go to the beach in the summer or a lake or go swimming. Then after the summer is fall. In the fall, it starts to cool down and the sun is seen less, so the leaves start changing colors and they fall off the trees. After the fall is our coldest season, which is winter. And in many places it snows. And then after the winter, it starts to warm up again in the spring. So in the winter, most of the trees have no leaves, right? But in the spring, the leaves come back and the flowers bloom. So those are our 4 seasons of the year. So those are our seasons, our months, and our days of the week. Another thing we need to know about is the weather. Just because it's winter, it doesn't mean it's snowing. So we have to look outside to figure out the weather, and we have to step outside with an adult to feel the temperature. Because it might be sunny, but it might still be freezing, right? We might look outside and say, oh, it's a sunny day. Oh, but it's still freezing. So you have to look outside and you have to feel the weather. So let's sing a song about the weather. Can you tell me the weather, the weather, the weather? Can you tell me the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Is it snowy? Can you tell me the weather today? So we have some worksheets at firststepreading.com, and all our worksheets are free to print, and they'll help you practice the calendar, the seasons, and the weather. So first, we have the daily calendar, where you circle the month that it is where you are, and you circle the date, the number that it is where you are. We also have the days of the week. So you circle the days of the week. Is it Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday? And you circle, so let's say it is Tuesday when you are watching this video, then yesterday would be Monday, and then tomorrow would be Wednesday. So you can do that on this worksheet. And the last worksheet is the weather, where you can graph the weather. You look outside. Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it snowy? Is it cloudy? Or is it windy? Then you can step outside with an adult and feel, is it hot? Can I go swimming today? Is it warm? Not quite swimming weather, but still pretty hot. Is it cold, freezing winter weather? I need my hat. I need my mittens, I need my boots, I need my coat, and my scarf. Or is it pretty cold? I need my jacket and pants, but it's not winter weather, then it'd be cool. And you can do that on this worksheet. You can check off and you can graph the weather. Okay, that's your weather worksheet. Season. So for math today, we're reviewing all about patterns. We learned about AB patterns, where it switches between two different things, right? AB, like it would be orange, yellow, orange, yellow, orange, yellow. We learned about ABC patterns, where it switches between three different things, which would be like orange, yellow, green, orange, yellow, green, orange, yellow, green. And now we're going to learn about AAB, ABB. So first it says, what's the pattern's name? Let's try to figure it out. Orange, orange, yellow. Orange, orange, yellow. Orange. So I know it's going to be orange, orange, yellow. So what is repeating, my A or my B? A, A, B. So I know this one is my AAB pattern. Let's try the next one. Yellow, green, green. Yellow, green, green. Yellow, green, green. So ABB is my second one. Okay? So that is AAB and ABB. It's two different things that are repeating, but we have two A's and then one B, and this one we have one A, two B's, one A, two B's, one yellow, two green, one yellow, two green. This one's two orange, one yellow, two orange, one yellow. So those are two other kinds of patterns. And this week, please review all the patterns you've learned by doing our review worksheets. You write the name of the pattern under the worksheet, under the pattern, and you draw what comes next. And then the last question says make your own ABB pattern. So that means you have to use colors or shapes to make ABB. ABB, right? So that's one of the review sheets you can do. We also have patterns that you can do with Play-Doh or stickers. So we have AB, ABC, or ABB or AAB. You can choose. You can use stickers or Play-Doh and make a pattern. Or stamps, if you have stamps. They're good for making patterns too. Now let's end math by counting by twos. And don't forget to do your twos worksheet. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Let's do it one more time. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Great job. Now we're going to move on to science, which is volcanoes. Let's start by reading about volcanoes. This is a non-fiction or a not fake, a true story about volcanoes. A volcano is a mountain that has an opening inside that connects to a pool of very hot melted rocks called magma. Okay, so it's an opening in a mountain that goes all the way down to very hot melted rocks that they call magma. When a volcano erupts, which means explodes, the magma comes out of the volcano, and now they call it lava. So magma and lava are the same thing. Lava that's in the volcano is called magma. Lava that comes out of the volcano is now called lava. It's melted hot rock. Some volcanoes are active. That means that they have had eruptions recently. Oh, active volcanoes have erupted recently. Some volcanoes are dormant. That means that they are asleep and have not had eruptions lately. They're sleeping, they're napping, they're dormant. Some volcanoes are extinct. Oh, like dinosaurs are extinct, right? That means that they will not erupt again. Did you know that many scientists believe that volcanic eruptions help cause the dinosaurs to become extinct? Oh, that's an interesting fact. So that's what we learned about volcanoes. Some key words we learned was lava, extremely hot liquid rock that's on the surface, right, that came out, and magma is when it's underground. So we also have a picture of a volcano, and there's this cloud when it's erupting, and that's called ash cloud. The cloud that during a volcanic eruption, when the lava and gas explodes out of the volcano, and that's called our ash cloud. The crater is the hole in the mountain, okay? Lava flow is the lava coming out of the mountain, and magma is the lava inside the volcano, and it's called the magma chamber, is where the liquid pool is inside the volcano before it erupts. Okay? And where does lava come from? Where is that? Why is there magma inside a mountain? Where does that come from? Well, the earth has three different layers. It has the crust on the outside, like the shell. Then inside is where there's lots of magma underneath the shell. Okay? And then in the very center of the earth is called the core. So, some things you can do is make your own volcano, and you can make it erupt. Okay, here's our volcano experiment. So I made my volcano, I let it dry, and now I'm going to make it explode. So first I need baking soda. Here's my baking soda, and it says approximately 1/4 cup. So I'm just going to put some baking soda in here, because there's a bottle, right, in here. I made it around a bottle. I'm using a funnel so it doesn't spill, and it goes into the bottle. Okay, that's just my baking soda. Now I need to mix in a cup food coloring, vinegar, and dish soap. So my food coloring, okay, my vinegar says 1.5 cups. So here's my vinegar, 1 cup. I don't know if I picked a big enough. Nope, I didn't pick a big enough cup. I said a large cup. Let's see. Okay. And dish soap. It's a very full cup. And dish soap. Okay. Whoa, my cup is so full. Okay. Now I pour that carefully into my volcano. And you can see it erupt. Isn't that cool? It looks like lava, right? The magma in the earth coming out as lava. Isn't that a cool volcano? So you can make that at home with an adult. See, I put a tray under so so it catched all my lava, and that way it's easy to clean up. And you have some worksheets about the crust, the mantle, the middle, and the core of the earth. The mantle is where we get the magma that turns to lava. And the ash cloud, the crater, the lava flow, and the lava chamber. And you can make your own earth and dissect it, because we said it had 3 layers. So you can color an egg to look like the earth, and then you can take out the top layer, which is our crust, right? Our thin top layer. You can dissect your earth, and that would be your crust. And then the white part would be where all the magma comes from, right? Like the earth, and then this would be the core of the earth. So it's hands-on, feeling and dissecting the earth. That's a fun experiment you can do as well. So that is learning about volcanoes this week. We're going to start with singing the alphabet. The alphabet is the names of the letters. Let's sing it together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? And now we're going to sing our letter sound song. These are the sounds that the letters make. The letters have sounds, have sounds, have sounds. The letters have sounds, have sounds, have sounds. The letters have sounds, have sounds, have sounds. Sing them now with me. The A says ah, 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 ah. The B says b, 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 b. The C says k, 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 k. Like apple, bat, and cookie. The D says d, 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 d. The E says eh, 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 eh. The F says like dog, elephant, and fish. The G says g, 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 g. The H says the I says I, 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 I. Like girl, horse, or iguana. The J says j, 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 j. The K says k, 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 k. The L says ooh, like juice, kite, and lion. The M says mm, 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 mm. The N says mm, 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 mm. The O says ah, 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 like monkey, knight, or octopus. The P says p, 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 p. The Q says qua, 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 qua. The R says like penguin, queen, or rose. The S says the T says t, 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 t. The U says like snowman, turtle, or umbrella. The V says voo. The W says wah, 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 wah. The X says x, 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 x. Like violin, whale, and X-ray. The Y says yeah, 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 yeah. The Z says zzz, like yogurt and zebra. The letters have sounds, have sounds, have sounds. The letters have sounds, have sounds, have sounds. Thanks for singing with me. So we just sang our letter sounds and we sang our alphabet. So in addition to letter sounds, you need to know about sight words. Sight words are the words that you see the most when you're reading. They're the most common words in books. A lot of them don't follow normal sound rules, so they're very important to memorize. How do we memorize sight words? You make flashcards. You can put them up around your house. You can practice before you go to bed. You can watch sight word videos. You can play games with sight words. You can do sight word worksheets. So let's go over the words you need to memorize. You need to know when you see these words. A, am, an, and, are, at, has, have, her, I, in, is, not, said, the, to, and with. These are the sight words we've learned so far. Our new sight words for today are her and in. Okay, her and in. So these are the words you need to know. You need to see these and just know them, not have to think too hard. It will help you understand what you're reading better and it will help you read faster. You do not need to memorize every single word, but you need to remember your sight words. The other words, you use your sounds. So let's practice doing that. Here's our sentence for today. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to underline my sight words. Is, in, her, at, and the. So these are the words that I should just see and know. Then the other words are my phonics words. These are the ones I need to use my sounds to read them. So let's try. P, at, pats, ap, map, is, in, her, ag, bag, at, the, ab, cab. Pat's map is in her bag at the cab. This is a sentence you can practice. It's at firststepreading.com. You can print this sentence, underline your sight words, and practice reading your phonics words. This sentence goes along with the last short vowel A story, the ab and ap words. So you have words like cab, dab, cap, lap, map, nap, rap, and tap. Okay? And you have your sight words with in and her. So your sight words are the words you should know. They're all the sight words we've gone over so far. And then your phonics words are these ab and ap words. So you can practice this story. You can watch your short vowel A blending video. And you can do the different worksheets. You can find rhyming words in the story. And there's an ab and ap worksheet you can print, which is spelling and reading. Okay? We also have a comprehension question per story. You can print that as well. Matt has a, and you have to look at the story. Did she have a tap? Did she do a dance? Or did she have a nap in the story? So you have to find the answer by reading that story. Okay? And last thing we're going to do with literacy is we're going to write a sentence about something we learned. Something we learned today. We learned about volcanoes today. So something I learned about volcanoes or the earth, that the earth has magma underneath or that the magma comes out of the earth's crust. I'm just going to say I learned about lava, right? When the magma comes out, it's called lava. So you use your sounds sounds, you stretch out the sounds in each word so that you can write them. You put a finger space between each word, and you end your sentence with a period. So that is our literacy for today.
Please subscribe to our videos and like our videos. Thanks for watching.
FirstStepReading.com